Today, I'll show you how to make this beautiful tree-inspired crochet wind spinner using colors inspired by nature. For this wind spinner, we'll use cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Start by chaining to your desired length. For a wind spinner, a starting chain of 35 to 40 centimeters, or about 14 to 16 inches, works well. I'm going to chain 80. I've made all 80 chains. Work 2 single crochets into the second chain. Work 1 single crochet into the next chain. Continue across the row, alternating 2 single crochets in one chain, then 1 single crochet in the next. I finished my row with 2 single crochets in the last chain. Depending on your chain count, yours may end with 1 single crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Restart at the beginning with the same color. Join the yarn at the top of the first stitch. Chain 3. Work 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Continue across, working 2 double crochets into the top of each single crochet. At the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Return to the beginning with white yarn. Join the white yarn at the top of the starting chain. Chain 3. Work 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Skip 2 double crochets. Work 3 double crochets into the space between the 2 double crochets. Continue this pattern to the end of the row. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Then return to the beginning with green yarn. Join the green yarn at the top of the first chain. Chain 1. Work 1 single crochet into the top of each double crochet across the row. At the end, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Go back to the beginning with the same color. Join the yarn in the top of the first single crochet. Chain 3. Work 1 double crochet into the same space. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch. Then work 2 double crochets into the same space. Repeat this to the end of the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Then return to the beginning of the row with brown yarn. Join the brown yarn at the top of the first chain. Chain 3. Work 1 single crochet into the chain space. Chain 2. Work 1 single crochet into the next chain space. Repeat this pattern across the row. If this row looks too tight, you can chain 3 instead. At the end of the row, chain 2. Work 1 single crochet into the last double crochet. Chain 1, then cut the yarn. Return to the beginning with white yarn for the final row. Join the white yarn in the first chain space. Chain 1. In the same space, work 1 single crochet, chain 3, then work 2 more single crochets. Continue across the row. In each chain space, work 2 single crochets, chain 3, then work 2 more single crochets. At the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Return to the beginning with white yarn. Now we'll make the hanging loop. You can also use any of the colors from your project for the hanging loop. Join the yarn at the top of the chain stitch from the first row. Chain 25. After 25 chains, make a slip stitch into the 12th or 13th chain. Make another slip stitch into the next chain. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Weave the tail through the chain stitches to hide it. Weave in the starting tail too. Now you can decorate the bottom of the wind spinner with any pieces you like. I'm using this tree piece from a previous keychain tutorial to decorate the bottom. Then I'll sew the beads onto the top. Save this tutorial so you can come back to it later. Once the decoration is attached, start at the hanging loop and twist the piece around itself to form the wind spinner. Here's how the wind spinner looks from the top. It turned out really nice. Now we can open the spinner back up. That's everything for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Before you go, please subscribe, like the video, and let me know what you think in the comments. See you next time.